looks pretty good. I'm building a cabin. It's very DIY. It's completely custom, and I think you know why. It's 'cause I'm not a professional, even though I fake it. So everybody jump right into it and watch this episode. Didn't rhyme, but it's all good. Everybody, welcome back to Woodness Goodness. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe because, well, I'm the type of guy that you want in your life. I don't really have any other suggestions, but be sure to like the video if you are new here or if you're already a subscriber. It means a lot. It helps my video get more views and it helps me make more stickers and cool merch for you all with a little spare change in my pockies. We're back, building the cabin. So we are out here just grinding away, making dust, and putting on some more siding. We're trying to get this side of the cabin done. You can see it's staggered because before I can go all the way around, I have to wrap each corner, and that just takes a lot of time. But anyhow, we are getting up into the rafters with this stuff. So let's just keep putting on some siding, shall we? Let's get after it. Adieu, adieu to you and you and you. Goodbye. For those of you wondering why I'm not doing the string line, well, for this shorter wall, I'm finding that the level's just fine. Because, well, if it's level, it should be roughly 6 inches, which is what we're doing here. Oh no, I gotta cut all this stuff. Crap. To get the angle where it's hitting the top of the roof is kind of easy. You just find your entry where, you know, the wood first starts to dig into the lowest part of the pitch, and then it's just a 20-degree angle. Boom. Just like that, baby. Yeah, baby. Yo, we're gonna switch it up for a quick bit because I realized in order for me to continue on this side, I want to at least get 1 or 2 layers of paint on the trim to protect. First, we need tape. Magique. Now we have to paint it. Oh, I hate painting. Actually, that wasn't so bad because I totally forgot that I went from 6 windows and 6 windows worth of trim to just 2 big windows, so not too bad. I'm gonna let this coat dry and then, an hour. Well, looks good. Well, today is Thursday, I wanted to have a video ready for yesterday, which would have been Wednesday, but it's been raining here, and with work I'm putting out some fires because I am self-employed. I run my own business, so with all this stuff going on, and I didn't know this, but you actually can't mention what's actually happening because YouTube picks it up and they make it ineligible for monetization. Kind of bizarre, but I don't know exactly why that is. But anyhow, so yeah, as a business owner, I have to be smart. I have to be taking care of those clients that I have. Honestly, I'm volunteering my services at this point for a lot of them because I just want to make sure that they exist after this is all said and done, because if they don't exist, then that's me losing a client. And not only is that not in my best interest, but I care about my clients a lot. They're my friends, they're part of my family. So tough times. I thought I would have a lot of time to do stuff on the cabin during this time, but you know, that's not the case. So Saturday is coming up in a few days, so I gotta get this episode ready for you guys, and hopefully I'll have more episodes on the way. We're putting on our second coat. Should be enough for this paint. It's really good paint. It's expensive, but it's good paint. Little tip. Now, I did paint this a few days ago, but I've kept it in a plastic bag to keep all the oxygen out, and I put it in the fridge. So I made it real tight, put it in the fridge. It keeps the product cold so it doesn't dry out, but it's also airtight so it doesn't dry out. And then you can reuse your brush a couple days later, which is what I'm doing right now. So that's a little trick of the trade. And I'm not even in this trade, so.
Baby. That looks good. Heck yeah, baby! Now that this is painted and done, and I think I'm gonna try and do as much on this wall as I can with cedar siding before I continue with any other side. Looking good, baby!
Today's Saturday. I'm supposed to be releasing an episode today, but the weather's been not great, and work's been a little bit busy, so anyhow, here we are, moving along. So let's put some pieces up. Oh, hey, that's my pencil. How are you? Wait. Good boy. Good boy. Where's the sticky? Go get a sticky. Go get the sticky. Okay. Oh, well, cedar siding. She's looking good. She's looking real good. It just takes a while because on the edges, I'm doing that corner weaving. So every other piece is overlapping the piece that wasn't overlapped before. So you just rotate which one's overlapping on the corner there. So yeah, because they're on a slight angle, because they're tapered, you know, the thicker portion of the cedar shake is below and it kind of narrows or thins out as it goes up. So it just takes a while. It's Saturday evening. I think I'm gonna try and edit this and put this out here for tomorrow. But it's looking real fresh, real good. And it's just slower moving. The cedar siding just takes a while, but when it's up, it looks so good. Whew. I'm thinking I want to do a project this coming week. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. But I was thinking about guiding you through a really simple epoxy project, something you can do at home. You can order the epoxy to your house. And I'm going to show you what you can do with that epoxy at your house with something you already have. That way it gives you guys something to do, because I know a lot of people are stuck at home right now. But let me know in the comments below if you think that'd be kind of fun to split up this cabin build and maybe give you guys a quick, easy, fun project that you can do at home while you're twiddling your thumbs and watching movies. So as always, guys, thanks so much for watching. I think Max is going to help me start putting in windows tomorrow, so hopefully we're going to have a little bit more of exciting footage and episode to show you. But I got to get this cedar siding up, and then we can really start to hunker down on that front window wall. Anyhow, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think. Peace.